Roblox not sending the two-step verification code? Don't worry, here's the fix you need. Open the Roblox app on your device. Click on Sign In. And log in with your email and password. Open your Messages app to check if you've received the authentication code. If you didn't get the code, go back to the Roblox app and click on Resend Code. Check your messages again to see if the code arrives. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. If it still doesn't work, click on Use another verification method in the Roblox app. Select email as your option. Open your email inbox and check for the code. Still no code? No worries. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Go back to the Roblox app and choose Use another verification method again. If you have a backup code, use it to log in. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. If you don't have a backup code, click on Contact Roblox Support. Select your birthday and click Continue. Fill out the form with your username, first name, and all other required details. Click Continue to submit the form. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.